Well, hopefully, darling, in the next day or two, those babies will hatch for you. Yeah. I hurried and threw on some clothes because I could hear the chickens freaking out. It's early morning. I wonder if we have little chicks that are hatching or have hatched. So we're gonna hurry and check. So we do have one of these eggs. I think a couple of these eggs, if not all of them, are chocolates. Oh no, you guys. This one's gotten squished. There's a baby in there. That baby has died. I actually tried to move all of these eggs and this hen into a different location, but she would not settle. She became very upset and would not settle back down. These other hens keep pushing her off the nest. Yeah, I think that's kind of what's going on here, is some of these hens are being bullies. This is so sad to me. Oh, the poor baby. Dang it. Some of these hens keep pushing her off this nest, Tommy included. Get Tommy, going out. But yeah, she won't move. She doesn't want to move, and I'm not sure what to do to protect her and the babies. I might need to put some wiring around her inside of here. I don't know how else to do this because she will not settle and be content and sit on the eggs in any other location. All right, so I just had another thought. I think what I'll do is block off that jog and put her in there, and hopefully she'll be okay with that. And also just do, put some food and water in there for her, so if she does want to get up and walk around, then she can. But we are just a few days away from hatch, and I tried moving her into a completely separate location, and she was not okay with it. But maybe she would still be okay if it was still in the coop. I'm gonna figure out a way to block off that jog and see if that will fix things. So this is what I did. I just put that chicken wire all the way up to the roof, just so it's kind of undesirable to try to climb up there. All right, she looks like she's accepting this area more than she was that other area. The other area, she started completely freaking out. All right, so it's Sunday today. Happy Sabbath. Just did the math this morning, and today should be day 25 if I am counting correctly. I might not be counting correctly. She's been sitting on these eggs for a very long time. I'll probably give it another day or two, and if I'm not seeing anything, then we'll get her off that nest. None of these have pipping on them. I don't know if any of them will hatch. I don't know that I'm going to let her continue to sit here. Just because it's not good for her health. Still, I think I'm going to give her that little chick that Murray McMurray sent that was extra, that is not a Cornish cross. All right, you guys, we're here with our broody hen, and look what I just found. I'm hoping this hatched and she didn't crack it open. It looks like a hatch, not like one that died. So I'm thinking she might have hatched some. It's on this far side. I can hear it, you guys. That's so cool. I want to see it. I think I might go grab that other chick and let her have it. See if she'll accept it. I bet she would. Maybe some of these others will hatch. He hasn't sat like on them. Like sometimes they're outside of where she's supposed to be sitting on them. Like they're on the outside, so they're not like getting warm. So I think that's why we're having such a late hatch. We are on day 29 today. So here's that baby that Murray McMurray gave us that is not a corn's cross. I'm gonna see if she'll accept this baby. I am a little worried that she will attack it. So I'm gonna stand right here and see if she'll accept it. But she seems interested, doesn't she? Would you want this baby? Would you accept this baby? I'm gonna see if I can put it underneath her. If she'll allow that. So I think it's underneath her now. Oh, yeah. It's kind of snuggling in there. I think she accepted it. I had to kind of help a little bit because I don't think the chick knew what to do. And she didn't know how to quite, it's not an egg, so it's not like she can just put it underneath there, you know? So. You see right here? I don't know if you guys can see. So mama is teaching baby. She's off the nest. I think that's all that's gonna hatch. So it looks like we just got one little chick. I did give her the other chick from Murray McMurray, but the chick just really wasn't taking to the mama. The mama took to the chick, but the chick didn't take to the mama. And I think it's just because the chick was about a week old already. So I'm gonna move these guys probably into a separate area today if I can get it all set up. I think the mama's done with these eggs, so